Assalamualaikum and good evening. So we are from Group 4 and our business model canvas is Note Glass Enterprise. So what is Note Glass? It is a smart AR-enabled eyewear for students to improve study efficiency. Key features for the Note Glass is it can display note via sync or via internet, and it also have live translation, smart study reminders, focus mode, voice assistant, and it is also lightweight and eye friendly. So why use Note Glass? So Note Glass can transcribe spoken words live during lectures. And other than that, this Note Glass is good for international students or students from our country that studying abroad. It also can summarize key points from lectures and can reduce note-taking time for students. So basically, it can reduce at average 4 hours for students per week. So students can focusly study and listen to lectures rather than taking notes. So that's all from me.
I will present the value proposition of Node Glass, our smart eyewear solution designed for students. Let's start with our value proposition. These are the key benefits that set Node Glass apart and solve real problems for our users. First, hands-free and screenless studying. Students can view notes without using a phone or laptop, allowing them to focus while staying mobile and alert. Second, Note Glass can sync with digital devices to display study notes, reminders, and live content directly into the user's field of view. Third, we offer real-time translation of written or printed text, supporting both Malay and English, which is especially useful in Malaysia's multilingual learning environment. We have also included smart reminders to help students manage their study schedule effectively, enhancing time management and reducing last-minute cramming. Product is lightweight, stylish, and eye-friendly with customizable display power, which is perfect for myopic users. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it supports long revision session or full day use. Now, let's talk about what makes Node Glass truly unique. Our innovation combines augmented reality with educational productivity, which is a rare combination in the current market. It also integrates with popular cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, so students can access material anytime. We have included a unique focus mode that blocks distractions, helping users stay concentrated during study time. Multilingual support is built in, accommodating users who speak Malay, English, Tamil, or Chinese. And finally, we feature a customizable built-in voice assistant, which adds both functionality and personality to the user experience. All of these features come together to create a study tool that is not just smart, but also inclusive, practical, and designed specifically for the needs of modern learners.
Okay. So you can contact us through our social media on Instagram and TikTok, Note Glass Enterprise. Sharing platforms are on Shopee, Amazon, and Lazada at our Note Glass Vibes. And we can deliver the Note Glass through our delivery friends, which is the NT Ninja One, or you can go to any partner IT stores. So next presenter.
For our customer relationship, we have several key strategies, which is student discount campaign. So we understand the financial constraints students often face. That's why we regularly offer exclusive discounts to students, helping them access our smart eyewear affordably. So the second is loyalty rewards, which is we will give free upgrades or lenses to our repeat customers, creating a long-term brand attachment and value. Next is limited edition frames. For these key features, we will maintain the excitement and exclusivity. We roll out limited edition designs that reflect trending styles or seasonal themes, creating urgency and interest among our users. Next, study hack, news settlers. We provide study tips, productivity hacks, and motivational content through newsletters. And lastly is emotional connection through gamification. Finally, we are exploring ways to gamify the academic journey. Think of it as earning medals or unlocking frames based on academic goals or milestones, like hitting a GPA target or completing a study challenge. So that's all about customer relationship.
All right. So next. Oh, yeah. All right. So next, let's talk about our cost structure. Our startup costs will include prototyping and software integration. Our fixed costs will include salaries, rent, utilities, and platform fees. While our variable costs will include lenses, frames, shipping, and hosting. We also provided optional detail, which is for our lens is 35 ringgit, and as for our display is 45 ringgit, and also come with service cost per unit. As for our warranty returns and support costs, it is free within 1 year and 6 months after purchase. And for information, our product is also ensured with CE safety certificate, ensuring its safety and performance in various applications. Next, let's talk about our revenue streams. We included direct product sales, also in-app premium features such as voice packs and notes. We also include custom lenses and subscription model, which include translation and cloud sync. We also provided suggestion, which is study starter packs and bundles with tutoring. As for our pricing tiers, the basic one comes with 499 ringgit. As for the built-in translator, it is 699 ringgit. We provided monthly payment, and also it is free repair services within 1 year and 6 months warranty, and our warranty may be continued for 50 ringgit if you want to. Thank you.
So next for our key activities, for R&D in AR lens and display tech, at the heart of our operation is research and development focused on augmented reality lens and immersive display technology. This ensures that we stay ahead in both functionality and performance. Next, for UI or UX development, we place a strong emphasis on the user's experience. Our team continuously refines the user interface and experience to ensure our product is intuitive, engaging, and student friendly. For the hardware testing, reliability matters that reliability matters. That's why we conduct extensive hardware testing. This includes rigorous durability checks and functionality validation under various real-world scenarios. And a key part of this is our student feedback cycles. We involve students in beta testing, collect their insight, and iterate accordingly. This real-time feedback loop is essentially to building a product that meets their needs. And lastly is marketing campaigns. And finally, we engage in targeted marketing campaigns to reach our primary audience, like students, educators, and tech enthusiasts. These campaigns are informed by data and focus on storytelling that connects with real academic challenge and solutions. Yes.
Thank you, Ahmad Shakir, for your presentation just now. Right now, I will tell about key resources, which is our process that are required to build our product. First, we have 4 processes that we required, which is first and foremost, we have our physical, human, and intellectual, and last but not least, we have our financial. Okay. First of all, we have when we are doing our physical test, which is first we will assemble the products at our lab, and then after we are assembling the product, we will do the QC, which is quality check at our second lab. And last but not least, we will send our product to our mini warehouse to manufacture it and send to our customers. Second, we have human factor, which is our engineer are the one who are making the software and basically are making our products will become more useful to use for our customers. We also have our product designer, which design our products to not just have one specific design, but more design so our customer can choose between lenses and lenses and so on. And last but not least, we have our academic content team, which will assist for the syllabus integration when the syllabus that we need to put in our software so our customer can use it for their learning factor. Third factor, we have intellectual, which is our patterns on the display and lens system, and trademark brand name. What is trademark brand name? Basically, we need to trademark our brand so that our competitor will not copy our brand name and make our product their product. Last but not least, we have our financial, which is we will start from our capital, which is grant and micro loans. And second, we also have our investor backing, which is EduTech Venture Fund that we require from our sponsor, which we have a lot of sponsors that are into our product. Next. We also have our key partner, which is the company that works with us to basically deliver our product and sell our product. First of all, we have our Vision. We have collaboration with our Vision X Lab, which is they will make our optic and lens, and they also will check our optic and lens for our checkup, which is our customer will regularly take it for at least a year after buying our product. Second, we also have our Shop Media Studio, which is for our digital marketing. As we all know that we already have our social media, which is on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Basically, Shop Media Studio is the one who is in charge to make our digital marketing for our product. And next, we also have our National and Registered Logistics, which is DHL and JNT Express. They are the one who in charge to basically deliver our product in all Malaysia region. And next, we also have our Edu AR technologies, which is artificial software partnership that basically make our software and basically doing all the software related product between in our project. And last, we also have our MOE Malaysia, which is a pilot program in schools that are the one who basically teach our customer and our student to use the program in our Noted Class Noted Class Enterprise, which is will basically make their learning is very useful and fun. And basically that's all from me. I will give to the presentation to our next presenter. Thank you.
Next. Good afternoon, everyone. I will continue with the summary and improvement plans for our business project, which is NoteGlass. We start with company overview. NoteGlass Enterprise is a student-focused academic platform designed to enhance learning through innovative tools. Our strong core product stands out with a clear focus on the needs of students. And then the product highlight, one of our flagship features in the Glass, a tool that integrates gamified academic tracking to make learning more engaging and effective for students. The product also can help the dyslexics to have a good studies and improve their studies abilities. And then we also have the promotion. We are currently running a limited time offer where this product is available for only 499. This pricing is meant to encourage early adoption and get students on board with our smart academic solutions. The next, with our tagline, our mission is clear. Your academic journey made smarter with NoteGlass. This embodies our commitment to improving how students learn and how we help the dyslexia people to improve their studies abilities. We also make it to plan and track their academic progress based on this class. For most information, you can reach us through the following channels. In WhatsApp 011-6777-890 and email our manager ahmad@noteglass.com. We also have social media, which is Facebook, NoteGlass Enterprise. And then that's all from us. Anything interesting, you can contact us.